Do you want to create an outline around a person or object in Premiere Pro? You're in the right video. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. All right, the first step is to bring the clip to the timeline. Next, select it and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Now hide the bottom clip and select the top one. Go to Effects Controls and in the Opacity section, click on this tool. Carefully select the person or object you want to outline. This is the most important part, so take your time to get a clean result. In my case, I'll do it quickly to keep the video short. Once it's done, reveal the bottom clip again. Right-click on the top clip and select Nest. Now go to the Effects panel and search for the Paint Bucket effect. Drag it onto the top clip, select it, and in Fill Selector, change it to Alpha Channel. In Stroke, select Stroke, and in Color, choose the color you want for the outline. Finally, adjust depending on how bold you want the outline to be. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.